Leader, Senator Alan Cayetano, sir.
Mr. President, good afternoon. Sir President,
Ay, Putragis? Di ba nakaiping Lacson? Ba't sumingit na naman si Boy nakapaw?
obviously po, iba ang point of view ng dalawa nating kasamahan. Pareho nating ginagalang.
Iyan ka na naman sa akin mo eh. Kunwari, punta ka sa kabilang side, i-explain mo kabila, pero may ibang pupuntuin to, sigurado to. Ganito ang ginawa nila nung impeachment trial. Diyos ko Lord. Sige, tuloy.
Let me appreciate the passion of both of them to get to the bottom of the biggest scandal, at least monetarily, the biggest graft and corruption scandal to hit the country in our history. No? If you look at the amounts, it's staggering. But may I make this manifestation just to encourage all of us that there are simple ways also of finding some solutions to the problem. Ayokong maliitin po ang trabaho ni Senator Lacson, ayokong maliitin po ang trabaho ni Senator Marcoleta. Pareho po silang nagsusumikap na malaman ng totoo, pero napaka-politically charged ng ating pong environment ngayon. First, Mr. President, I'd like to mention, during the budget hearing, I asked Secretary Vince Dizon a very simple question. Ba't hindi nalang utusan lahat ng DE, samahan ng COA, samahan ng barangay captain, sa listahan na hawak ng DPWH ng 2023 or 2022 pa hanggang 2025 project, kunan lang ng picture. Para kung may picture at hindi pa bayad, hindi ghost yon. Kung may picture, walang project at bayad na, ghost yon. Kung may problema, substandard o kung ano man, kita na natin sa picture. Kasi si Senator Lacson na mismo ang nagsabi din sa atin na as time goes by, umiiba yung numbers ng actual na ghost at hindi. No? Number two, Mr. President, I think many of us, and I'd like to appreciate Senator Win Gatchalian here, cautioned that when there are investigations sa graft and corruption, minsan mas malaki pa ang tama kapag ka natigil yung mga projects. I brought this up sa DPWH na pag kinancel nyo lahat ng project, baka walang kumuha niyan. But since yung top 10, nandun, instead of bantayan, insist, wag bayaran, kinancel lahat. So nakatiwangwang most, if not all. But number three, I approached Senator Win right before I asked the majority leader to speak. Nabasa ko po sa online, sa major dailies na wala pang nabibid sa 2026 budget ang DPWH. I'm not that sure if that's 100% correct. But it seems to be correct na marami sa mga project hindi pa nabibid. One of the problems daw was the pricing of materials na maaring magbago na naman because of the price increase. So this is the problem, Mr. President. Presyo pa lang at project. But for every school building na madelay, isang buong generation ang hindi makakapag kukuha ng quality education. Ganun din po sa farm to market road. Isang 5-10 year generation ng ating farmers ang lalong maghihirap at mas mababa presyo kasi hindi magagawa yung farm to market road or irrigation. So again, hindi ko minamaliit yung mga pinag-usapan today, yung mga pag-uusapan, sinong iimbitahin, how we follow the evidence, who does the evidence point to, sinong mastermind. But let me just emphasize na dalawang problema to o tatlong problema in one. Hold someone accountable, but how do we put enough trust in our system, in DPWH, in our infra projects to get it rolling, di ba? So the third, WAMI, palapit na yung tag-ulan. Pag hindi na bid ang project ng hanggang April, hindi po mag-uumpisa yung mga projects ng May. Parati nating hinahabol ang summer kasi doon po mabilis gawin ang mga project lalo kung may excavation. Pag ginawa natin ang projects ng June, July, maraming delay dahil nga tag-ulan. Ang problema, Mr. President, dahil wala tayong budget for flood control this year at sabi gagamitin yung pang last year, pero hindi pa natin sure kung nilagay yon tapos tumigil lahat ng iba. I think many of us are expecting or hoping walang baha this year. But I think logic would dictate na sana hindi. God forbid that there will be massive floods, but there will be. So gusto ko lang bigyan diin, Mr. President, na nagkainitan man today, we have two passionate colleagues who want to get to the truth. And part of getting to the truth is ayusin yung sistema. So I hope that in the next few days, maybe the chairman of the Public Works Committee, maybe the chairman of yung sa Transpo, maybe the head of our finance committee, diba, can get to the bottom of this. Kasi nga, time is running out. Napakababa ng GDP natin for the fourth quarter. Ilan araw na lang tapos na first quarter. Tapos nangyari pa yung sa Middle East. So as we pray for the US, for Iran, for the whole Middle East, for Israel, as we pray for peace, as we pray for our OFWs, we have to act at ayusin natin ang problema sa infrastructure. So make me just emphasize that, Mr. President, na habang hindi natin natatapos ng investigasyon ang problema, ang naging casualty din na hindi kasalanan ng kung sino man dito sa kwartong ito, pero naging unintended consequence, yung delay sa pagbibid at pag-aayos ng sistema. Thank you for this opportunity, Mr. President.
Majority Leader.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Mr. President, I move that the privileged speech of Senator Ping Lacson, or Senate President pro tempore, and Senator Force, the ensuing interpellations of Senator Marcoleta, together with the manifestation of Senator, or Minority Floor Leader Senator Cayetano, be referred to Committee on Rules. I so move.
Any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Referred to the Committee on Rules.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Mr. President, move for the reference of business.
Secretary will proceed with the
Nakabaw.
reference of business.
CR lang ako, John.
Based on first reading,
Fast forward na natin ha.
Senate Bill number 1943,
Wala na. Tapos na.
Department of Environment,
Wala na mga kabsat.
On
Hindi na sumagot si Senator. Ay, si Senator Ping nasa harap na.
Section 12.
There's no more, Mr. President. Please proceed, Mr.
Right.
President.
You see, Mr. President, I've had difficulty always when it comes to the IRR.
Ay, wala na. Ibang topic na to, Mabsat. Alright, maraming salamat po, Mabsat. Biro nyo, almost 2 hours. 1 hour 55 minutes tayo dito sa main topic. Diyos ko po, Lord Rudy. Nilecturean talaga ni Senator Ping Lacson itong lowest rank lawyer na si Marcoleta. Nako. Oy, mga kabsat, baka naman, Mabsat, na request naman si Maestro. Pag na-chap-chap ko na to bukas, mag-like naman kayo. Panoodin nyo kahit konti. Okay na ako doon, Mabsat. No? Alam ko, maganda yung discussion natin ngayon. No? Napanood natin. Nakita natin yung mga reaction ng bawat isa. Diyos ko po, Lord. Pag na-chap-chap ko na to bukas, magparamdam naman kayo, Mabsat. Like and subscribe tayo. At syempre, huwag kalimutan mag-like, Mabsat. No? Para makita natin. Alright, maraming salamat. Gusto ko mag-subtopic. Isa lang na lang. Ito na lang last. Marami pa sana akong gustong bibisitahin sana natin si attorney. Putrakis, kaso wag na. Dahil anong oras na? Alas 10 na, Mabsat. At 2 hours na tayo naka-live. Magla-last topic na lang tayo. Last subtopic. Ito na yung iiwan ko, Mabsat, sa live stream. So, pagbigyan nyo si Maestro. Alright? Countdown muna tayo, Mabsat. Again, maraming salamat. Huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. Thank you po. Countdown lang tayo, tapos we go.